Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use autosave in Excel. It means if we write something or put any data here, then the Excel will save it automatically. First, open an existing Excel workbook here and then press Alt plus F11. Then you will get in a VBA pop-up window where you have to select workbook and then before close, and you just need to type the code, which is ThisWorkbook.Save, and then use save. While using the save option, you need to clear something here. You need to mark something like use save as and the Excel to be saved as macro enable X workbook. Here let me just put Excel macro enable workbook and then just save. Here, that's it. Now once you put any data here in Excel, it will save automatically. Just you have to use your tab and then just save. It's saved automatically. These are the differentiate, that's a normal and the macro enabled. While first time open the workbook, you just need to enable the content, and then now once you save, once did it, the data will be saved automatically. Now let the final check. I'm putting here something, and now close the window. Once the work is done, the Excel won't ask you for save, it will automatically save. Now that's done. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.